Morning, girls. Today we are going to see the next topic from the subject Conversational English. I hope this subject is very general and you people are enjoying the classes, isn't it? This is not that much a hard content subject. I hope this is a very easy as well as important aspect for the lifestyle. So, girls, today let us begin with the new topic from the unit 5. So far, I taught you two topics from this unit. Number 1, what is that? Oh, I forget it. Planning a vacation. Next, invitation to a party. These are the two topics we have seen so far. And this is the third topic we are going to see today. Selling a product. So, selling a product, it deals about a product, how we have to sell. Okay, it comes with our day-to-day life. We see many number of advertisements. We go to shop, we buy few things, so we are familiar with this topic. We must be very familiar with this topic, and I hope we are very familiar. So let us start. Let us begin. Selling a product. Selling a product is very difficult unless we know about the selling strategy and market trend. Of course, girls, selling. Once the name of the product or about the product is known to others, it is highly impossible to sell the product. We must know the strategy as well as we must know the market trend of selling the product. We have to compete. We have to compete with different products. We must compete with different product companies. All companies compete with one another to sell their product and to win the hearts of the customer. Once the company wins the heart of the customer means after that it will be the good identity. It shows the good rapid growth of the company. For example, I like to say Hammam soap. It was a famous soap. It was a famous soap, and mostly we used to buy Hammam soap. What for? Because due to the advertisement, due to the concept of the soap, we get attached to the Hammam soap, and we think that it is a herbal soap. So whatever soap, new soaps comes to the market, we go along with only Hammam. So like that, the product stands for the special identity and should win the hearts of the customers. In business, selling involves so many marketing techniques to push the products. Okay, selling the product is like pushing the products to the market via advertisement to sell among the customers. So selling the product is also called as pushing the product. Push the product. We have to push. We have to come up with the points to push. We have to show a rapid difference among the competitors. So like this, selling a product is very difficult. Okay. What is the best opinion to sell a product? Advertisement is the best option to sell a product successfully. Okay, unless or until if we advertise on the TV, each and everyone they will clear with the advertisement. Okay, so advertising is the first option to sell a product. For some products, we see the advertisement and we start buying. For example, Hudson Curd, Arogya Milk. Like this, advertisement is the best option to sell a product successfully. Okay, because of that only we have many advertisements comes scroll in the TV, in the online, and so on. So, advertisement is the best option to sell a product very successfully. And we have various types of advertisements, not only the TV, not only the television. We can give advertisements in the newspapers, magazines ad means advertisement, that is comes with ad small. Then internet ads, even you can see when we are teaching, when I am teaching, you can see a scroll of the advertisements comes and go. Next, wall posters. Wall posters become very old trend of selling a product. In those days, advertisement comes in the wall poster, but now it is completely washed out due to the development of communication. Then door to door sales. Even today, not that much um, salesmen or saleswomen comes to the door to door, but in those days it was very famous. Salesmen and saleswomen, they have own identity. They have an ID card. They'll carry a bag. They'll be having their products in their hands. So door to door, they knock the doors of the houses, and they'll explain about the product and they sell. So this is also one kind of advertisement to sell a product. Next, giving attractive gifts or discounts. It is very peculiar nowadays. We can see this everywhere. Even you believe or you don't believe, in my native, a new hotel was started, non-veg hotel. It was new non-veg hotel. See how they are selling the product. See, if you buy 1 kg of chicken 65, half kg is free. If you buy 2 biryani, means 1 biryani is free. So what he is doing, he is giving offer. So what the people will get know this shop over there. So routinely what the people will do, for offer they'll go and buy, then automatically they'll go to the same shop hereafter. Because of that only, the persons, they attract the customers by giving some offers like this, giving attractive gifts or discounts. Next, winning the customer's heart by good after sales service. Not only while giving off, even after selling the product also, the seller must have a good rapport with the customer. Okay, next, to update or modify product according to the taste of the customer. So we have to change over. We have to hear the customer complaint, and we have to change ourselves towards a modification, or we have to update ourselves towards the customer. Next, moderate price fixation for products. See girls, this point very clearly I like to explain. For example, jewel shop. Joe's or Lucas ad will show off one tax. Kalyan Jewelers, they come up with new discounts. Kumaran Jewelers, they come with new discounts. So like this, they compete. They compete by giving moderate price fixation. So, fixing of the moderate price is the main aspect of selling the goods or products. If this saree is cost 2,500 here, means if the same saree if it gets, if I can get it for 2300, means where I'll go for only 2300. So like that, moderate price fixation. Then promoting sales through sales representatives. We must have representatives, sales representatives. A man to explain our product, he is called as sales representatives. So these are the various types of advertisements we have to undergo for selling a product. Clear, girls? See, how do we can promote our sales? How do we can promote sales at a global level? Involves through international demand. First of all, we have to go with the global level. Then we can go towards international level demand. So we have to compete with the different countries' qualities. We have to challenge in the qualities of the product. When the quality are sufficient, when the quality are good enough, we can easily win the race. So quality stands unique. International standard is the main criterion to promote our sales globally. So we must have some international identity as well as international standard to sell our products globally. So qualitative and quantitative. Quality and quantity are the two important aspects of the product. Our product should be very quality. It should carry a quality as well as we must have in a quantity. We should not say we have only 10 products or 15 products or a handful of products. When the product it moves on towards globally, we must keep on producing the quantity. Okay, when the quality stands with the product, it pushes the quality, it pushes the quantity. So we must have quality as well as quantity. These are the two important aspects of the product. Clear, girls? Okay. What is the role of the e-commerce? E-commerce is nothing but selling the products and online. I hope, girls, you are very clear with the online shopping nowadays. We forgot to visit shops nowadays. Whatever it may be, we get it from the online. We view by sitting inside the home. We see, we order, we place order, we pay money, everything with the use of e-commerce. So e-commerce plays a very important role. It involves the transfer of money. We can transfer the money, we can view the products, we can order the products. So that comes under e-commerce. So what are the types of e-commerce? We have 3 types of e-commerce. One is business to business. Business people can give it to the another business people. Number 2, business to the consumer. We are the consumer. So business people, they give straight away to the consumer, and consumer to the consumer. So these are the 3 types of e-commerce. Thus, nowadays we have various WhatsApp groups. Now that's a trend. Kurti group, sari groups. You can see in my mobile. My daughter ever used to say, "What, mummy? You're getting sari photos in your mobile." This is because of the e-commerce, using online selling. Okay. So what is CPI? CPI means Consumer Price Index. See, it examines the weightage average of prices of a basket of consumer goods and services. So CPI is a price, is a consumer price index. We can increase or we can decrease the goods rates through this CPI. Okay. What are the means of selling a product? The main means of selling a product is to push the product out of the shop. The current trend is we have to design various advertisement to catch the customers. So we have to promote the designs, we have to promote the advertisements. The best example I like to share, have you seen the Saravana stores ad so far? So far, I have seen the Saravana stores ad by very minimally. Very minimally, it comes every 2 hours once, 3 hours once, like that. But now the owner of the company, the owner of the shop himself, he started to act in the advertisement. Because of him, because he looks funny, he acts funny, so he grabs the attention of the customers in such a way. So far, Sneha was dancing, Sneha was showing off the sari, Sneha was displaying the goals, but no difference. Sneha was as usual, she was acting, she was a film actress, she ever danced, she looks beautiful in saris, she wear goals, like that it was going as such. But after the hero, the shop owner comes over to act in the advertisement, the shop becomes very famous now. We wait to see such advertisement. So commercial advertisements and e-commerce become a rapid fire speed. E-commerce become a rapid fire speed nowadays, ma. Okay, next. Then slogans are very important. Slogans and a symbol, store symbol, and slogans plays an important role, and we must have a highlight in the website. If we sell the product in the e-commerce, means we have to carry our own product websites. The product websites should come with the information, details, and a various texture about the product. So when we are about to do business through the e-commerce, means we have to maintain a very good website. Okay, so website promotes the business, as well as we must have a slogan. In business, quantitative protection and a quantitative and a qualitative are the two important aspects. Selling a product is not important, ma. Selling a product and getting the profits, that is more important than selling a product. Selling in the same rate, it never brings the income to the company or business. We have to balance with the ups and downs of the business. And I never say that always a business stands high. Even it comes down. It comes down and down. But even though we have to push the product towards the upward. So we need some creative thinking. See, in the second point, marketing needs creative thinking. We have to create something new. We should not give the same content for the same product. Always give some creative thinking and implement some new ideas. A robot will manufacture millions of products in a year. We can produce millions of products in a year, but it is highly impossible to sell the products. So for selling the products, we must be very creative. Girls, one example I like to quote here. Have you seen the that Achi chicken curry masala? That veg curry, chicken curry kurma. You can see. Still, I remember that advertisement, ma. How the leg piece of the chicken gets it dances on the kurma in the advertisement. So by seeing that advertisement, we are tempted to buy that product. We are tempted to buy that product. So this is the creative thinking of the marketing, and we have to implement some new ideas. And even one more example I like to quote: Saffola oil, cooking oil. The boy will be seeing the items from the window. He will be jumping out from the window, and he will be jumping on the puris, and he is jumping into the vada, and he will be rolling into the gulab jamun. It shows the stuff of the oil. So like this, creative thinking as well as new techniques helps a product to come up with a new ideas. So marketing needs only human mind. We can produce, we can manufacture millions of products at a time with the help of a robot. But in the marketing, human mind is very essential to sell the product. Okay, paper, we can give advertisements in the paper, we can give advertisements in the magazines, we can promote a good sales representatives in a radio, in a TV, we can give in a public notice. So as well as we can give in the internet. These are the ways helps to sell the products very effectively. Displaying new products in important traffic points promote quick sales. Okay, new products, showing of the new products. If the product is new to the marketing field, means we go with the only new field. We go with the new products. So new products quickly promotes the sales. Okay, next, what is the role of the marketing manager? Who is a marketing manager? Marketing manager should study the potentiality of the area to sell product. So he is an important person. He must have the potential to sell the products. So for each and every company, we have marketing manager. The supply of products should meet the needs of the consumer demand. If the product is demand means, so we know the quality of the product. If the sales of products falling, if the sales of product is falling, it shows. If the product is stagnant, if the product is not moving, it shows the quality of the product. So a skillful marketing manager should sell unsold products within a week by his persuasive speech. If the product is stagnant, if the product is stocked, the marketing manager have to make some initial stage or incentive to sell the products in a week. If the product is stocked for a week, it never moves out. Within a week, with the help of the marketing manager, the products have to go out of the godown. Okay, so we can have sales representatives. So with the help of the sales representatives, we must keep some trained as well as a very skillful persons to sell the products by door to door sales. They have to motivate the customers by the speech, by the inspiring talks of the sales representative helps the customers to buy the products at their doorstep. So even they can go to the remote villages. City people, they can visit the shop and they'll buy. They do some aspect of buying, but the village peoples, they must be aware of the product. So sales representative can be sent to the villages to sell the products. By giving incentives and promotions, we could accelerate the sales of any products in a remarkable manner. Only with the help of a sales executives as well as with the help of a marketing manager, we can sell the products very successfully. So we can give them incentives, we can give them salaries, we can appreciate them with by giving promotions. So these are the ways to help them to come up in the field. So if they come up, we can easily sell the products. Okay. And e-commerce, with the help of the online we can do business very safely as well as very powerfully. At a time many people can see the product. You just think about the sales representative, they have to go to door sales. But e-commerce, it stands in a position, it takes place in single phase, but thousand and lakhs together people can view. So that is the main aspect of e-commerce. So we can get the feedback immediately. E-commerce is very effective. We can get the feedback very immediately, and within a short period of time we can sell the product. Okay. And e-commerce is a very e-commerce once again e-commerce is a very easy way of selling the products. Okay. Then dealership, for a company, for selling a product, we must have a dealership with others, and we must have a conference meetings about the product, and we must get the feedback from the dealers, we must get the feedback from the customers also, and as per that we can develop and we can fix a margin of the product. So the cost of the transportation and spending is minimized. So e-commerce becomes a vital role of advertisement nowadays. So thus we can sell any products across the world within a short period of time. So these are the important steps we have to take into consideration to sell a product. So one must possess the knowledge of e-commerce. When you compare with all the issues, e-commerce possesses the best sort of selling the product on a profit basis. So girls, this is important points about selling a product. Okay girls, clear? So kindly go through. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. I don't think so this is very hard to understand or something. Kindly go through, kindly use headsets for the better understanding. I request everyone to take note of this. Listen properly and understand clearly. If you have any doubts, girls, you please ask me, and try to give the comments in the comment section, because every day I'm getting very least comments. Okay ma'am, thank you ma'am, only this sort of feedbacks I'm getting in the comment section. And try to give whether you're clear or not, you understand or not, you understand my language or not. So far from the beginning, for the past 1.5 months, I'm teaching in the same way. Whether you're clear with my language, whether you understand the topic, I don't feel that everyone understand or not. So I request everyone to give comment in the comment section whether you understand or not. So kindly go through. On 9th I'll be coming to the college and you'll be coming to the college for paying your college fees. I hope I can see you there. If you have any doubts or queries, you can ask me personally on that day. Okay, after that I'll rectify. So I end up the session today. So girls, stay home, stay safe, go digital. Thank you girls. Kindly listen to the recordings every day, listen to your topics, listen to all the subject and give the feedback for us. Thank you girls. Bye bye.